She is full to the brim. But let's talk about her.
Hello. It is your time to uncover.
COUCOU, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah Mariah, and today I wanted to share what's in my makeup bag. But I just thought, since you guys love what's in my bag, why not do what's in my makeup bag? Let's just get right into it. This is my makeup bag. It's from the brand COUCOU. I purchased this bag last year around the holiday season. So let's talk about the pros and the cons of this bag. The pro of this bag is the size and how convenient it is. I love the size. It's perfect for all of my makeup, either if it's in full size or the mini travel size, and everything fits perfectly. It also came with the insert. I love that it came with it. Yeah, I love how spacious it is, and on the inside is like this leather material as well. Of course, I'm pretty sure it's full leather. Also, the insert, you can detach some parts to like maneuver the pouches around. One con that I've been hearing a lot about this makeup bag, it's not really a con for me. The top doesn't stay open. Like a vanity bag would stay open like this. To me, I don't care. I really don't. I think people always find things to complain for the price. Like, come on, guys. For $30-something, it's not going to give a Birkin quality. This is made out of cheap material. All you gotta do is open it back up and grab your things. Like, it doesn't matter, but I don't mind it. If that's something that bothers you, then this makeup bag isn't for you. The e.l.f. primer, I've raved about this primer on my channel before. I love this Power Grip primer. It is exactly what it says. It is the dupe of the Milk primer. And when I tell you, after you do your skincare routine, definitely allow your skincare products to sit, and then I go in with this and rub it all over my skin and let it sit. It's very moisturizing. I usually focus on my T-zone because I have oily skin. This truly grips on. I'm wearing it right now. I was never a primer person until I started using it, and I used this primer for my graduation pictures, and when I tell you, my makeup did not budge. My everyday foundation, I love a good Maybelline foundation, something light. This is the matte poreless, and my number is 334 warm summer. I usually alternate between 334 or 335, and then you can say the big girl foundation will be this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Supposed to stay on all day and all night, in the color 12 Cool. This foundation, people were raving about it on TikTok, saying it was perfect for oily skin. It's okay, I'm wearing it right now. This is definitely a full coverage foundation, but it's also buildable. It's lightweight. But for someone that has oily skin, I do not think I will be repurchasing this. My all-time favorite right now is the Makeup by Mario Awakening Concealer. I love this concealer so much. I'm actually wearing it right now, and this is in the color 380. It's the perfect shade for me. It's not too warm, it's not too yellow, and it's so buttery and so smooth on the skin, and it's extremely pigmented because a little, when I say a little bit, like a little bit goes a long way. Since using this concealer, it has been like my favorite part of doing my makeup. And another concealer which I use for spot conceal as well, a NARS soft matte concealer. People in the makeup community rave about this product, and it's in the color caramel. This one's a little bit brighter. It definitely has like a soft neutral pink undertone, which I like. This is so pigmented and buildable. Then we have blush. I have two blushes. Blush from Rare Beauty in the color Grateful. This blush will last you a long time. When I tell you a little bit goes a long way, I find different ways to use it, not only on my cheeks, even on my lips. I've used this as like a lipstick before, and it blends beautifully on the skin. This is a more affordable blush, drugstore. This is the Milani blush in the color Wild Rose number 13. It is so beautiful, so pigmented, and I'm actually wearing it right now. It's amazing. I love bringing blush under my eyes and then go over with my concealer, and it just gives this like Barbie doll look. Bronzer in the number 7 Coconut. I focus this on my cheeks, my cheekbones, my temple, like my forehead, even my nose, and sometimes I even bring it to my eyes to give that warm look. Guys, I love this product so much, but also I love the container. I use this for my under eye to brighten up my eye, but also to lock in my concealer. It's in the color yellow and it's lightweight. Another powder of mine, which I use for my whole face, is Fenty powder in the color honey, and I use it to set my whole face. I just go in with my fluffy brush and lightly set my face with this, and sometimes I like bake a little extra on my chin area, my forehead, because I am oily in that T-zone area. I got it in a mini size and I'm happy that I did. I've been loving putting this on my waterline. I'll insert like a picture of me. I've been obsessed putting eyeliner on my waterline. It just gives my eyes like this cat eye look, and then you can never go wrong with a black eyeliner. Love it. Love to use it in the inner and outer corner. The only lip pencil that I have is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil and the color 612. This is a multi-purpose makeup pencil. You can use it for the lips, you can use it for the eyes, the brows. It's extremely creamy and pigmented. Ooh. But it's so easy to blend, even though it looks dark, but I love that dark brown look. Just makes my lips look bigger. First thing first, to prep my lips, I have this Laneige lip mask. I love wearing this not only at night but just for every day. A Chanel lipstick, but this was gifted to me and I love this lipstick in the color Rouge Allure Velvet number 40. It has a burgundy brown undertone, which I love. My glosses, these two, this I received as like a birthday set, and this is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Pink Sugar, the Summer Fridays in Brown Sugar, and this is my favorite. Oh, it smells so good. I should probably, let me put some right now. Very glossy, not sticky at all, and it smells wonderful. Can never go wrong with Fenty. I love this Fenty lip gloss in the color number 8, and it's called Riri. It has like a purple glittery tone and it pairs perfectly with my brown lip pencil. Can never go wrong with a mirror. I bought this Chanel mirror. It has like a regular mirror and then a magnifying mirror. I have 2 foundation brushes. This is the Sephora foundation brush. It's like a stippling brush, and I love a nice compact brush. This is my favorite brush. And this is like a backup brush, what really got me started, and I wanted to include it so you can have something similar. They both do the same thing, and this is the Real Technique face brush. I talked about this brush on my channel here. This is the House Lab. This is a concealer brush, guys. When I tell you, it literally blends out my concealer so smoothly. It gives like an airbrush look. And then this other concealer brush is great for spot concealing. I love how slanted and flat it is. It's perfect when I need to cover a spot. I love the shape of it because it reminds me of a fingertip. This is my full face powder, Real Technique. It's actually a blush brush. I love how big and fluffy it is. Also from the Sephora collection number 99. And I love using this for my cream and powder blushes. And then this is my contour. This could be used as a powder brush as well, but this is my contour brush, Sephora collection number 79. Love how fluffy and airy it is. This setting blush, which I love so much for my under eye, really packs on beautifully and it works beautifully under my eye. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it's fluffy and I love it. It's literally a small version of this brush. This is an OG. This is back in high school. When I first started makeup, I bought a whole set of brushes from AliExpress, and this is the only one that survived. But this brush has not failed me, and I think I'm going to keep it until it falls off. So I use this for my cream blush, and then I use this for my powder blush. The last tool, it's a lash curler from Revlon, and it was on sale for $3. I was like, comparing to the prices for these on the market, $20, I was like, you know what, let me get it, and it works perfectly. And yeah, that is all for today. I love every single product, every single tool that I use. Yeah, I love this makeup bag. I'll try my best to link this exact bag down below, and also I'm going to link all the products like I always do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't be afraid to like and comment. I love interacting with you all in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more and click the bell notification so you can be notified every time I post, and I'll see you all in my next one.